Hello, it's JP, Pro 100 USA, JP Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own tiling using Paint.net. So, I have this set of tiles here, marble tiles. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to resize this image. We're going to resize it. Even you can maintain the aspect ratio if you'd like. Usually I just go 128 and 128 for resolution's sake. So we have that there. I'm going to go ahead and save this file as a JPEG. And if you follow your file extensions, I'm in Textures, I'm in the Tiles area, and I created my own folder. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to then name this, since I'm making marble floors, black, white, and I'm going to call this checkered. That way we know which one it is. Press save, go OK. And that's all we need to do for Paint.net. So now we have a floor here from Pro 100. And as you see, the texture I just created is here. So when you put it on here at first, for some reason it's transparent sometimes. But you see how big it is. We'll go ahead and take that. We'll go to the properties and we'll turn the transparency down. So if I zoom out, as you can see, it's just one big tile, which would work if you were going to do it this way. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to actually change that. So I'm going to right click on my properties again. And you can save a template if you'd like. So if I go to 1212, it's going to take me there. But I'm going to go ahead and turn the reflectivity down for a second. I'm going to press apply. And then I'm going to come here. And I can add a price if I'd like. So we'll put it on marble floor. And I'm going to tell my tiles to be certain sizes now. So 12 by 12. Right? And then my border, this is going to be your grout. And I'm going to go ahead and do some magic with this. So I'm going to make 0.25. And then I'm going to change this color to something we're going to be able to see. So I'll just make it black. And I'll press apply. And as you can see now, we have tiled floor. We have black grout in the middle of it. I can come back here and change this to white if I'd like. If I wanted to show that a little better. Press apply. See how that all changes. So then the next thing I'm going to do is if I wanted to, I can then tell it to be whatever size I wanted. So if I said 36 inches high, I now have 36-inch high tiles. 36 wide by that. So it just depends on how you want to do this. And just to show you how to get to that option again, I'll go ahead and change it back. Sorry. Properties, right click, properties. And I'm going to go ahead and make that back to 12. So now we can turn on our anti-aliasing. We'll turn our reflections on. And now we'll turn our lighting on. Now, as you can see, there's no reflections. We told it to have no reflections. And what I want to do now is I want to actually take some of these lights down just a little bit more. And I'm going to pull these up a little bit more just so I can kind of show you what this is going to do. I'm going to go to the catalog again. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to the properties. And I'm going to turn the reflectivity up. We'll press apply. Press OK. And I'm going to turn this just a smidgen. And as you can see, you see the wall corners, you see some of the light reflection, and you've created a reflective marble floor. And it has nothing to do with the reflectivity of the other parts of the job. So that is, in a nutshell, how you would quickly create different flooring options for your catalog in Pro 100. This is JP, Pro 100, JP Designs, and you guys have a nice day.